Hi guys, this is Madison here, and today I'll be doing another slime video. But this time, this is a different slime. We're going to be making our own milkshake. So, I'm going to tell you where I got it from, where we went to Marshall's and it was $9.99. So, it says that we have 1 whipped cream slime, 2 frosting slimes, decorations, 1 mold, 1 cup, 1 recipe book, 2 milkshake slimes, 2 clay slimes. So let's get into it. I'm really excited because I can make my own milkshake. Whoa, that is good. Okay, I think I found the whipped cream. This is the whipped cream now. What is this then? Sprinkles. Oh, these are milkshakes, I think. Clay. More clay, I think. Clay. Wait, this is the whipped cream. This is just some white base slime. And this is the pink milkshake. Okay, let's open this little bag. Oh, it just opens. My cup broke. Wait, is it supposed to look like that? Okay. Okay, I think that's how it's gonna go. I'm just gonna give it to my assistant, and we're going to start by seeing some recipes. So it says, get your cup, decorate your cup, create your milkshake, shape the whipped cream, add the frosting, decorate, ta-da, crush it. So I'm gonna crush it at the end. It says over here we can also buy some donuts, a birthday cake, or a milkshake. A birthday cake, oh my gosh, that would be good. But anyways, I'm just gonna pre-open this stuff so it can be a little easier process. Okay, I opened it. Now I just wanna see this outer slime. Overall, this is like a water slime. Let's see if it can bubble. It can bubble and it smells just like birthday cake. That's a double win for me. Here's my cup. And now let's start. Our first instruction we're gonna do is decorate our cup. So we are going to get this little thing. Actually, I think I want to do this, this one. We're just gonna put it around our rip to decorate. Rim, not rip. Okay, now we have it. This is one of our frosting slimes. We are going to put this around our cup. Now this is just hard to do. Okay, after that, we are going to get our sprinkles, the messy part. We're just gonna get our sprinkles and just pour them around our rim. How am I gonna do this? Pour our sprinkles out around our rim. Okay, that's looking good. Take this thing off. Okay, I'm gonna decorate it myself using my own hands. Okay, that's good. Next, we're going to create our milkshake. Okay, this is going to be our strawberry vanilla milkshake. We just need to open this a bit from, I'm just going to try. Okay. We are almost ready to make our milkshake. Now we're going to kind of like mix it. Okay, this is actually satisfying. I don't know why. Oh, it mixed in so well. Okay, now we can add it in. Yeah, we're just gonna try to. This is a fat milkshake. Okay, it's looking good. Next, it says shape our whipped cream. This is gonna be hard. I don't shape whipped cream. I never had this before, guys, so how am I gonna shape it? This is making me stressed. My milkshake doesn't look delectable. No. I would drink it though. I mean, it could have a little fixing. Okay. Now we're gonna add our whipped cream. Oh my gosh, I can't do this. I'm just gonna try to roll it out. I've been rolling slime for years. Okay, this is how we're gonna get it. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay. We're just gonna add some sprinkles to at least try to make it look kind of better. Okay, next we're gonna add some frosting, pink frosting. Pink frosting. It's like a light up color. Neon light up. I don't know what to call it. But now we're just gonna swirl it. Yeah, this doesn't look as good as I thought it would. But at least I tried. Trying is the best thing you can do in a situation like this. Next, we're gonna decorate with our clay mold. Clay mold. Open that puppy up. Now, I think we're gonna do this little mold. Cracker heart mold. I don't know what to call it. Seashell cracker mold. But anyways, we're just going to, oh, that came out good. Add that on. Add that puppy on. Okay, next we're going to put some in the gummy bear mold. Gummy bear mold. Okay. Here's the blue. Found it after 8 years. Okay, guys, now we're just gonna add some more sprinkles. The more sprinkles, the better. And now it's time to crush my slime, my beautiful masterpiece. Okay. I'm crushing it. Oh my God, no. I think I want to add the rest of the clay just to build the slime up a bit. This slime is ginormous. Okay, what color? I have no idea what color this is gonna be. Clay. We're just gonna mix it a little more. This kind of looks like a unicorn mix. Unicorn slime mix. I don't know what to call it. It is like a dreamy cotton candy vibe. I think it's turning out purple, like a purplish color. I can hear that ASMR. Okay, guys, that was really fun. But now it's time to go. Bye, guys. Thank you for liking and subscribing to Sydney and Madison Diggs YouTube channel. And if you didn't yet, please make sure you do. We really appreciate it. And as our subscribers increase, we thank you the most. Bye, guys. Be awesome.